Welcome. So today I am with Redmi Note 11 and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, we are going to start from the photo mode, video and other modes where we can quickly increase or decrease the brightness level. So take a look. When you tap on the screen, you will get this sun icon, and when you move it like that, you can decrease or increase the brightness level by moving this slider. You can make it automatically by tapping on the screen. And take a look. You can test this feature in edit mode. So in the video mode, it's also working. Okay, let's go back for the photo mode, and we can find hidden feature. So in this place you can find volume buttons, and when you click and hold this volume button, you are able to record short video. When you release that button, it will be finished. Take a look. You can also make the same by holding the shutter. And when you click once on the volume up or volume down button, you will get the 2 seconds delay on your shutter. Okay, and right now when you tap right here, we can open this kind of the menu, and if you want to get longer delay on your shutter, you can choose 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And right now when you click on your shutter, the photo will be taken after 3 seconds, and when you click on the volume button, it will still on the 2 seconds. Let's go back for the normal option, just like that. Okay, and right now we can go for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the 50 megapixel mode. So let's take a look how it works. I'm gonna take 2 photos on the same scenario. So the 50 megapixel mode, and right now let's switch to the normal mode. So in this 50 megapixel mode, we are going to get definitely more details. So that's the normal photo. For example, we can focus on this keyboard on the smartphone. It looks like that. Let's switch to the 50 megapixel mode. Okay, and as you can see, definitely we can find here more details, and also we can zoom in much closer. So to assume, if you want to get more details on your photo, then you have to definitely try this 50 megapixel mode, this 50 megapixel lens. Right now we can enter for the settings, where we can find interesting options. So for example, you can mark your photos by choosing the watermark. You can add timestamp and the device watermark, and take a look. When you take a photo, for example like that, on the left bottom corner we can find the device mark right here, and on the right bottom corner we can find date and the timestamp. Let's go back for the settings. We can find here also other functions. So currently we can also manage the volume button function. It's right now set up to the shutter countdown, but we can switch, for example, to the zoom, and take a look. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in. So you can zoom in to the 10 times, and also zoom out by pressing volume down button. Okay, so as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.